Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to tag friends on Wechat group. First of all, you can open the Wechat application. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can see the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on this, you can see the new chat and you can tap on this, and here you can first create the group. After creating the group to one or more persons, you can go to the group. My group is this. I can go to this, and here you can mention your friend here. Now you can just simply type a message. First select at the rate, and here the name of the persons shown in the list. You can tag any person in your group chat. You can select it here. I select this person to tag it on my group chat. After this, you can tap on send at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here I can tag this person on this group. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.